Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Discord account. So if you also want to log in Discord account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So Discord is an instant messaging and VoIP social media platform which allows communication through voice calls, video calls, text messaging and media. So if you also want to log into Discord account, it is actually very simple. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Discord app. You can see over here, I've already opened it. So you can log into Discord through various ways. You can sign in with QR code, or you can also sign in with passkey if you want, or you can also provide the credentials. If you want to provide the credentials and sign into your account, first of all, what you have to do is enter your email or phone number. Simply enter your email or phone number. Now, after you enter your email or phone number, what you have to do is enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you have forgotten your password, what you have to do is click on the option forget password. After that, you'll be able to reset it. Now, after you enter the credentials, what you have to do is click on the login option that you can see on the screen. After that, you can see over here, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Discord account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.